Welcome to 375 Stowell Avenue, Sunnyvale 94085. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1694 square feet, sitting on a 5,200 square foot lot, listed by Elva Wang of Shea Homes. Let's check it out. You have your 1-car garage here. Some nice citrus trees. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. Brand new roof, as you guys can see. Electric meter. Stucco exterior with some nice stone detailing here in the pillars. Nice wooden door. This home is listed at $2,430,000. It originally came on the market listed at $2,588,000. Just recently had a price reduction. This home has been completely gutted top to bottom, new roof, new countertops, new cabinetry, new stainless steel appliances. You have your Bosch dishwasher here. Nice deep sink overlooking the front of the property. Check out the Fulgor Milano 6-burner gas stove with the exhaust range up top. Nice big kitchen island here with some outlets built in. You can easily fit 4 stools here. Triple skylights here for lots of natural lighting. Brand new stainless steel refrigerator. Nice open floor plan. Check out this living room area here immediately to the left with access to the backyard through those sliding doors. Love this wood paneling throughout the home. Love what the stagers did here with playing on the neutral natural tones. Lots of shades of brown. Let's take a quick peek outside. Brand new fence. Good place for a dining table here with its wet bar area. Lots of storage, soft closing cabinets with a wine cooler. Again, brand new everything, brand new floor, paint, sliding doors, windows, everything. This feels like a brand new home. This is the 1st bedroom. Great size. Let's check out the 1st bathroom. Floating vanity. Smart mirror. Let's check out the shower. Nice big shower head. Tile covering the walls from floor to ceiling. Let's continue our tour this way. Into bathroom number 2. Another floating vanity, smart mirror, tile work again, floor to ceiling. Bathtub, built-in cubbies, another big shower head. Very nicely done. And bedroom number 2 here, currently staged as a home office. Let's take a look at the closet. These closets are the full length of this wall, so lots of closet space there. Bedroom number 3. Again, lots of natural light. Decent sized rooms. Closet over here. Which leads us into the primary bedroom. Great size. Again, lots of windows and sliding doors. Lets in lots of natural sunlight. Overlooking the backyard. Walk-in closet with crawl space access, attic access up here. Check out this primary bathroom, dual vanities, smart mirror, huge rectangular window here. Nice big shower head again. Dual cubbies built in. And again, with the constant theme of top to bottom tile work. Let's check out the backyard real quick. Again, brand new fencing. You have brand new mulch throughout. Great patch of grass here for the pets to run around in. Stucco exterior. Brand new AC unit, split type, air conditioner and heat pump combo. As you can see, this home was very well built. You got your irrigation controls there, water shut-off valve. One more look at the primary bedroom from this angle. Recessed lighting throughout. Let's peek into the garage. One car garage. You do have your washer and dryer here in the garage, your hookups here, your hot water tank, your Siemens electrical panel. Again, brand new fencing, brand new everything. Nice big skylights. This home was originally built in 1942, but it definitely doesn't feel like it once you're inside. It feels like a brand new home. I forgot to mention there's another sink over here at the island, so you get dual sinks. Again, lots of storage, lots of cabinets everywhere throughout. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, listed for $2,430,000. One more look at the outside, the neighborhood. If you or anybody you know, friends or family, are looking to buy here in Sunnyvale, contact me, email me, text me, call me. I live here in Sunnyvale myself. Would love to get you into a home here in Sunnyvale. I'm also an inspector, certified inspector, so I know exactly what to look out for before you submit an offer on the home. Comment what you like, what you don't like about the home. Subscribe. I will continue to do these tours as much as possible. I'm shooting to do a home tour at least once a day, all throughout Sunnyvale, different pockets of Sunnyvale. So if you're looking for a home here in Sunnyvale, I'm your realtor. Until the next tour.